Okay, marhaban, welcome back. Well, we've made a lot of progress on this lesson, so we have one final bonus for you that will be useful. Now, if you remember in a previous lesson, we talked about this ending, the E. Putting a long vowel E on the word made something mine, sort of like stamping your name on it. Remember? Ism, name, ismi, my name. Okay? You can say my house, Beiti, my dog, Kelby, and so on. Well, that's great, but we don't always want to talk about ourselves. So you may be wondering, how do I say your? Like if you want to ask someone, what is your name? Okay, well, it's going to start off the same way. All of these possessions are done by adding a suffix on the end of a word. We don't use a separate word. Okay, so here I have name, and you can see it's not finished because I'm going to add something to it. Well, today we just learned the letter kaf, the K sound, and we learned how to write it at the end of a word. Turns out this is a very useful suffix because when I put this at the end of a word, okay, see that there? All right, now even put it in the short vowels, or you know this, right? Ismik, ismik. This kaf sound makes it yours. This is mine, ismi, ismik. Now, how do I distinguish between male and female? Remember, we learned there were two different words for you. There was enta and enti, masculine, feminine. Right? So there are two different versions for yours. There has to be. The great thing is they're going to rhyme. You know, Arabic is a poetic language. So anta, ka, yours for masculine. Right? If it were feminine, no problem. Ki, ismika, ismiki. Now the same thing is going to apply for anything. My house, Beiti. Your house, Beitika, Beitiki. Okay, my dog, Kelby. Your dog, Kelbaka, Kelbaki. Now, I'll tell you, in reality, I mean, that sounds very formal. Very often, in most speaking, the short vowel, at the end of the word is going to be dropped. And so, instead of ismika, what you're going to hear is ismik. That's far more common. Ismik, Beitik, Sayaratik, Kelbek. Okay? One final word, very simple one, a meme, followed by an aleph. You could pronounce this easily. Ma, ma. Ma means what? Ma ismik, or ma ismika, ma ismiki. What is your name? Ma ismika, ismi, ismi John, ismi Mary. Okay, so this is very, very useful. All right, but this, remember this ending, you'll use this ending to make anything your. Okay, that's all we have for today. It's a lot of information. We're almost near the end of the alphabet, so congratulations. We will see you back next time. Insha'Allah. Ma salama.